the splashdown that we saw is the most important part. You understand that it is very crucial. With Kalpana Chawla's flight returning, I hope you all remember, did you see that in the year 2003? It was just 16 minutes before touchdown and we lost 7 souls, right? So this re-entry, which we casually saw, we're not even appreciating. This was a very crucial moment in this space journey. As equally important as the lift-off. Here, when the capsule is happily recovered, they're going to open the doors, and the astronauts, when they are recovered from the capsule, they will not be walking on their feet. They will not be able to stand on their feet for a few minutes because they're coming from a microgravity environment. It will take them some time to come back from that space adaptation to be feeling that weight on their legs and be able to walk. So normally when we rescue the astronauts from the capsule, they are taken out on stretchers. If you've seen that Sunita Williams recovery. So that is how they'll be taken. They'll have the first aid given to them, a first medical checkup, and put into quarantine, which is very, very important. Of course, they will be fed food, whatever is their favorite food. Now they are free to enjoy the meal. They are unlocking the capsule. You see the entire white coating. That's called the heat-resistant tiles. Ethan rightly told us that it is withstanding a temperature as much as 2000 degrees Celsius. So that is why you see certain parts that are burnt. After it re-entered the Earth's atmosphere, after the aeroshell protected the capsule, we also had a lot of resistance from air, from wind, from dust. And that is why you'll see the capsule is damaged. This part will not be able to reuse. This is no longer reusable for us, and it is tightly secured. So you're seeing when they're trying to rescue the astronauts, they have to unscrew every part. This tiny little thing that you see is not that tiny. It has 4 humans sitting inside it, so it is huge. During liftoff, this was the payload chamber of the rocket. You can see the rescue team is right there.
Again, if you're just now joining us, the Dragon spacecraft has been lifted onto the recovery vessel Shannon. Now the recovery crew is safing the vehicle. They're putting some covers on the thrusters of the vehicle.
CMS Aliganj Branch 1 we are very proud of that. We are excited of our Mr. Subhanshu Shukla and his parents. Of his very proud, and for institution is very extremely prouded and very happy for our thing, and he is very moment of happiness and moment of thing that we experience after a long time. After 2003 we have is thing that we have experienced our alumni of number 634. 634 is a very candid soul of the head. He came nearly again for the CMS for the alumni. Very kind soul, and his parents and very very
very big difference in the air pressure. Suddenly they are on the planet. Their bodies are going to feel that air pressure. So they will first have to maintain that pressure. Right? So this re-entry, which we casually saw, we're not even appreciating. This was a very crucial moment in this space journey. As equally important as this lift-off. Here when the capsule is ready,
मेरा नाम ईशान चौहान है नाम मेरा ईशान चौहान.
And the astronauts, when they are recovered from the capsule, they will not be walking on their feet.
ठीक है. हाँ तो बाइट कर रहे हैं ऊपर. कोई नहीं, वो कह रहे हैं कि आप फोकस रखिए. क्या करना है? हटा दिएगा तो ठीक है सर, दिखा रहे हैं। जी जी जी, सब चले गए भाई। वो कह रहे हैं कि बाइट करे चाहे जो करे, आप दिखाओ। लाइए आईडी निकाल दीजिए। यात्रा करके आए हैं, कैसा लग रहा है? आप लोगों ने भी लाइव तस्वीर
हमें ये देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिल रही है इनसे, क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल के पढ़े हुए हैं CMS अलीगंज कैंपस में, तो इनसे हमें बहुत चीज़ें सीखने को मिल रही है कि हमें भी इनकी तरह कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए, और जो भी सोचना है बड़ा सोचना है, और और जो भी सोचना है हमें वो करके रहना चाहिए, जो भी हो जाए। तो हमें इससे बहुत खुशी मिल रही है, क्योंकि इन्होंने 2 हफ्ते यहाँ पे स्पेस में बिताए हैं, और वो बहुत कठिन परिश्रम के बाद वो यहाँ पे आए, और हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हमारे जो देश के सिपाही हैं वो वापस आए हैं धरती पे, तो हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है।
मेरा नाम विराट।
क्या नाम है बेटा?
विराट सिंघल नाम है मेरा।
कैसा लग रहा है शुभांशु?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है,
देखिए आप लोग।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हमारे सीनियर है वो, अब मज़ा आएगा, अब बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। हम उनसे सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा। वो यहाँ पे आके बोलेंगे शायद, और उनसे सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा। और हमें उनसे सीखने को मिला है कि हमें हमेशा स्ट्राइव करना चाहिए और अच्छे के लिए, और हमें बड़ा और हमें महान बनना चाहिए, और पढ़ के मेहनत करनी चाहिए।
मेरा नाम हरमन कौर है, CMS कानपुर रोड।
आज जो है शुभांशु की लाइव लैंडिंग आप लोगों ने देखी, पेरेंट्स भी रहे साथ में, आप लोगों के सीनियर है इसी स्कूल से निकले, कैसा लग रहा है कि वो वापस आ गए?
Definitely, we all were very extremely enthusiastic on his return, and the motivation he has given us, it is to dream, to aspire, and hope that we might achieve what he has achieved today. So much he has done for his country, for our school, and he dreams to bring India to a whole another level of space exploration. And and we are so grateful, and we are so proud that astronaut number 634 hails from India. He inspired me, he encouraged me, and he has also shown us that success belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And very strongly, I believe it now, because he has achieved this. It's a great feat that he has achieved, and we hope with this indefatigable approach, we will do it too, someday. Thank you.
VK News, राष्ट्र के नाम।